Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to use QuickBooks for bookkeeping. For this tutorial I am using a sample file from QuickBooks. On QuickBooks homepage we are going to follow this diagram: the invoices, receive payments, and record deposits. So first we are going to create invoice. On this page you need to select a customer. If you are using a first time, then you need to create a customer. So click here, add new. It will take you here new customer window. You will type here customer name, so then you need to complete all these information: the name, full name if there is a person to contact, and their designation, a job title, main phone number, work phone, mobile, fax, email if there is anything to copy, website, and that will come here. There are other information that you can enter, but I'm not gonna go over that right now. So you can click OK, and then it will be on this list. So once you click here, you select the customer, then select the date of invoice, and then this address, it's coming from your customer address. The invoice number you need to enter only the first time, then it will increase by 1 every time you create a new invoice. Next thing is a purchase order. If there is any purchase order, you can enter here. And then next thing is the terms. Terms is like a payment terms: net 30, net 60, net 15, whatever you have arrangement with your customers. So this date is based on the terms you use. So once you enter all this information, next thing is item. Item is a predefined your price level and any other information. Then you just select that and it will automatically be here. If you need to add new items, so you click here, add new. It will take you to this window. On this window you can select any type. So there is a list of type you can select. I'm gonna select the service, and then you type here, and then you can type here any description in detail. Like that, and then you can type your hourly rate and select your you need to link one income account, so it's right here. So that's how you are going to create a new item. So once you create an item, you click OK to save, and then you will see that right here. So here you type 1, then it's already there. If you enter 2, then it's 190. 3, it's gonna multiply that, and then you can type here any message for your customer, and you can type here any memo for any notes for your record. So then you click save and close. So now we entered one invoice here. That's how you are going to enter the invoices. And then once you invoice to customer, then you receive payment when they mail you check or they pay you by credit card or whatever. So click here. It will take you the customer payment window, and you select here the customer. So see here there are outstanding 2 invoices. So if you receive $225 from the previous balance that's outstanding from this invoice, it's gonna apply right here. If you enter here $300, it's gonna apply first 225 here, the balance here. If you want to apply to this invoice first, then you need to uncheck those and check this one and then check this one. So QuickBooks will automatically apply that way. So here you are gonna type a check number. If you check here, and credit card, debit card, e-check, then a reference number, but I'm gonna use here a check number. So then it shows you here the outstanding balance that's gonna be left from here. You can type any memo here and then save and close. So we entered one payment that you received from customer. The next step is to record deposit. So you are gonna deposit this payment that you received from customer into your bank account in a QuickBooks. So you select that payment. If there are multiple payments you received and you want to make a deposit in different banks, you're gonna select only the one you want to make a deposit in one bank first and then the next one. So click here, say OK. It will take you here. So you need to select the bank account in which you want to make a deposit. So here is the date of deposit. Here is a memo. It just says deposit. So it's a receipt from. It's coming from undeposited funds, because when we create an invoice, it goes to the income and the accounts receivable. When we receive payments, it goes to undeposited funds and reduce the accounts receivable. When we make a deposit into bank, it reduce the undeposited fund and increase the bank balance. So that's how check number is here. You can type here memo, payment type and the amount, and then you click save and close. So that's how we completed one transaction of creating invoice, receive payment and made deposit into bank. And next thing I'm going to show you, enter bills. So click here. It will take you to the bill window, and here you are going to select the vendor. So once you select that, the date, any reference number if there is, any bill number, and the amount, and this is based on the net payment terms. You can type here any memo and then account, that's from the chart of account. So this is, you can select one, and this payment will be automatically here, but if you select multiple, so then it's gonna be, you need to sublet that. So if there is any payroll service, then you type here 75 and here. So like this. So save here. And then go here, pay bill. So here you will see all those outstanding bills. So you select which one you want to make a payment. So you select this one and then make sure you select the right checking account. So once you select that one, just say pay bill. So it's going to tell you pay more bills or print check are done. If you click done, it's going to just close this window. If you want to print check, it's going to show you these are the outstanding check that need to be printed. So I'm not going to print this one, but I just show you how it's going to be. So once I close this one, so now you learn how to enter bill and make a payments. And then the next step is I'm going to show you how to see your check register. So click here and select the bank account that you want to review. Click OK, and it will take you to the bank account. So this is your all the payments, and these are the deposits that you entered. So these are the dates, check numbers, any account, pay, memo, all those. You can review here, you can change anything. If you highlight this one and then click edit transaction, it will take you this window, check window. So you can make any change and save this one. So that's how you are gonna go to your check register. Next thing, I'm gonna show you how to reconcile the bank, because you write checks at the end of month but they don't hit the bank, and there is always a difference between your bank statement and the QuickBooks file. So you need to reconcile that to see like if there is anything missing, everything is matching. So click here, reconcile. You need to select the bank account, the one you want to reconcile. Put the date here. That's the date of your bank statement, ending date of your bank statement, and ending balance of your bank statement. If there is any service charges, type here, and interest income, type here, and click continue. But make sure you select expense account here, income account here, and click continue. On this one, you will see on bank reconciliation window, you will see all deposits on your right side, all checks and payments on your left side. So match all the deposit with your bank statement and check here, and match all the payments and checks and then check here. So your all deposit, they should match here with your bank statement deposit, total deposit, and same here, like all the payments, the total of all those payments, it should match with your bank statement. Here the difference should be 0. If there is a difference, then there is something missing, either in a QuickBooks or you enter check twice or multiple or whatever, but there is a discrepancy. So you need to clear that one. Sometimes you enter wrong ending balance, so to change that, just click modify. It will take here, you can change this one and say continue. It will be here. So that's how you are gonna reconcile the bank. I'm not gonna click reconcile because there is a difference, but you need to reconcile. But if you click like this, if there is a difference, it's going to take you to this window. This one to take you back, this one leave reconcile, this one enter adjustment. If you enter this one, the difference is gonna put in a bank reconciliation discrepancy and then reconcile the bank. But that's not right way. You need to clear this one. So that's how you are gonna reconcile the bank. And next thing, once you done with all those, I'm going to show you how to review your financials. So click on reports, company financial, profit and loss, and that's how you are going to see all your income and expenses. You can change here any date. This is just for 1 month or 15 days, and you type here, this is for the whole year. If you want to review any one account, you can double click on that. It will take you to the detail of all the transaction there. Same way here. So that's how you are gonna review your financials. And if you click again, reports, financials, balance sheet, they all are here. Same way, the bank accounts, inventory, prepaid, depreciation, and all these transactions are here. If you see here, it's a cash basis. So you need to see like if you want a cash basis or you want accrual basis. So if you want to change, click here, preferences, and then reports, and if you click here, see, check cash is checked. So if you click here, say okay, and next time when you run the report, it's a accrual basis. That's how you are gonna change that. So now you learn how to review your financial statement, but there are 2-3 other things that I'm going to show you. One is chart of account. If you click here, it will take you to this chart of account listing. So all the accounts, they are listed here. If you want to add any new, you can click account, new, and type of account, these are, and click new, and type here any name. So that's how you are, and save. So that's how you are gonna add. But if you want to add it and change anything, so then you can just go, let's see this one, highlight, edit, it will take you there. You can change that anything, so it will be changed. So that's how you are gonna change your chart of account, rename, or you can add any new account there. After this, I'm gonna show you, you can write check directly without entering any bill. So click here, write check, select the bank account, select the vendor, amount, and it's gonna, you need to select here any account. So that's how you write a check directly without entering any bills. And same way, if you want to make a deposit, you can click banking, make a deposit, or you can just click here, it will take you here. You can select this one, received from, account if it's income or liability or anything, memo, check number, method of payment, and amount. That's how you are going to enter deposit without going through the invoices. So that's all basically you need to do everyday bookkeeping and using a QuickBook. I'm using a QuickBook version 2017. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it will help you. Thank you.